Hello, welcome to Python MCQ question answer series. In this video, we'll discuss about dictionary. So let's start. This one is our first question. Which of the following statements create a dictionary? Here is the option A, option B, option C, and option D. Take your time and say that which statement create dictionary. So the correct answer will be option D, that is all of the mentioned. The first one, option A, this will create a dictionary, but this is a empty dictionary. Option B, we know that in dictionary we have a key and value pair. So John is key and 20 is value. Also Peter is key and 34 is value. And also you can see in the third statement we have key 20 and value John, key 34, and here the value of that key Peter. So ABC is the correct answer. That is why option D will correct answer. And we know that dictionaries are created by specifying keys and values. So go to the next question. What will be the output of the following Python code snippet? So here you can see that we have a dictionary and we are printing D. So what will be the output? Here is our option A, B, C, and D. So if you run this code, the output will be option D, that is option D. So you can execute the code in cell to verify it, and this will be our output. Now we'll go to the next question, question number 3. What will be the output of the following Python code snippet? Here you can see that we have a dictionary D and we are searching that John in D. It is present or not. So what will be the output? Option A, true, option B, false, option C, none, and option D will be error. The correct answer will be option A, that is true, because John is present in this dictionary, this one. So that is why the value of this code will be true. Here you can see that we have a keyword in, and in can be used to check if the key is in the dictionary or not. So the key John is present in our dictionary, so that is why option is the correct answer. Now we'll go to the next question. Next question, that we have two dictionary D1 and D2, and the value of this dictionary, this one and this one, and we are using a equal operator or checking that D1, value of D1 and D2 is same or not, or we can say that is D1 and D2 same or not. Now let's check options. Option A, true, B, false, option C, D, option C, none, option D, error. The correct answer will be option B, that is false. Why this is false? Because we can see that in D1 and D2 the keys are same, but value of those keys not same. Here 20, here 26, here 34, 47, not matching. That means this is not same. So that is why it will give as a false result. So this will give false result, and if D2 was initialized to D1 like this, the answer would be true. So here is our code. If you will give the value of John same, Peter same, then if you check this condition, it will return true. Now we'll go to the next question. What will be the output of the following Python code snippet? Here you can see that we have D1 and D2, and we are checking that D1 is greater than D2 or not. So in this case, I'll show you the options and you have to tell the correct answer. Option A, true, B, false, C, error, and D is none. The correct answer will be C, that is error. It will give error or it will throw error. So the correct answer will be option C, that is it will give error, and this operator is comparison operator, and this comparison operator cannot be used with dictionaries. So in case of dictionaries we cannot use the comparison operator like this. So that is why the correct answer will be C. If you run the code in Jupyter Notebook, it will throw like this. it will indicate this section and it will say this not supported between instance of dictionary and dictionary. So within two dictionaries this operation cannot be happen. So that is why it is throwing error, or this one is called type error. So what type of error is this? This is a type error. So that's it for now. In this video we have just completed 5 MCQ question from dictionary chapter. In the next video we will see more. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you again in the next video.